Watch your footing on platform 3. Heads up, moving steel beams now.
All right, team, lift that section into place. Watch the west side, secure the supports now. Clear the area. Watch the line tension. Bring it up easy.
Hold the beam steady. Copy that, lowering it slowly now.
All right, bring it up slowly. Hold it right there, secure the left side first. Watch the clearance on that frame. We need more panes on the east side. Copy that, sending the next crate up. Yeah. Watch your footing on that scaffolding.
Bring that stone up to the mid-level. Watch out below, moving materials. Watch it coming down, clear the area below. All right, pulling the pins now.
Clear this section next. Watch out, coming through. We need another bin over here.
Watch the edge over there. All right, pushing the dumpster now.
We need that beam centered. Careful, it's heavy. Almost there, hold it steady.
Watch the sparks below. Clear the area, move the materials. Looks centered. Go ahead and secure the clamps. Clamps are engaged. Releasing suction now. Bring up the LEDs on the south wall. Levels look good. Check the reflection on the floor.
Watch the corner on your side. Okay, lift it up higher. Almost there, hold it steady.
Make sure that center bracket is secure before we raise the next section.
All right, slide it back 3 inches. Easy, easy. Watch the corner.
Yep.
Looks good there.
Gently lift the left side. Perfect. Now secure it there.
It's level. Watch it coming down. Clear the metal from the center. Bring that yellow bin over here.
Heavy one coming through. Take it to the left.
Hold it steady. All right, nailing it in now. Clear the path over here.
Carefully slide that into the frame. It's in, starting to secure the edges now. Pour it slowly right there.
Okay, I'm spreading it now.
We'll start polishing the back section.
All right, gentlemen, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Easy now, slide it forward. Watch the cabinet on your side. Okay, try the Cove lighting circuit. Circuit's active. We have full power and warm light reflection on the floor. How does the lighting look from your end? Looks good. Go ahead and power it up. Looks great, eh? Matches the design exactly. How are the lights looking on your end? Almost there. Just stabilizing the under cabinet LEDs now. Does that match the rendering for the stove area? Almost. The copper pot needs to move right. Perfect. It aligns with the digital layout now.
Heads up on the east wall. Securing this beam now. Bring that stack of studs over here. Watch the left side, it's heavy. Okay, lift it up 3 inches. Almost there, hold it steady.
Hold that beam steady. All right, secure the bracket on your end. We need the next panel up here now.
All right, slide that panel in gently. Careful, watch the sealant. Is it secure? Almost there, just needs tightening on the left.
A, connect the main conduit to panel B.
Copy that, powering up the automation systems now.
Watch the cables on the floor over here.